What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix voicemail notification won't go away in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then click on app management and then search here phone. Now click on phone app and click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of phone app. After clear the data and cache memory, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.